Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I thought I'd take a look at another game pickup that I had acquired. This is the Marvel X-Men Mutant Insurrection. It's brought to us by Fantasy Flight Games. This is pretty new, I think. I don't think it's been out that long. Like everything else, I enjoy the comics, books, the Blu-rays, the Marvel, DC, Star Wars, Doctor Who, Star Trek, all that kind of stuff. I always enjoyed those. So when I saw this game, I thought, this looks pretty fun. I'm going to pick it up. So let me know what you think. This is not a review of the game itself because I haven't played it yet. This is not a how-to play the game because I haven't played it yet. This is simply an unboxing. Now, I've cheated a little bit. I did take the shrink wrap off. I did look inside, make sure everything was there. There were a bunch of tokens in there that I simply put in a baggie because they were on a punch card, and I just punched them all out and put them in a baggie, so I didn't lose any. But other than that, this is brand new. So here's the cover. Here's the spine. It says the play time is 1 to 2 hours, so that's kind of a long game. 1 to 6 players can play it, and it's a cooperative type of game. It's co-op. And in this game, you get to battle against evil villains as your favorite heroes. You can play up to 5 other mutants, characters like Gambit, Rogue, Storm, Cyclops, Wolverine, more. You've got the Blackbird in there you can launch. They deal with the Hellfire Club, the island of Krakoa. They take on Magneto and the Brotherhood of Mutants. What does this game contain? Well, it contains 1 rulebook, 16 heroes, 20 mutants, 8 plots, 8 showdowns, 30 threat cards, 1 Blackbird ship, 53 mission, 12 dice, 1 threat track, and 99 assorted tokens. If you like to sleeve your cards, Fantasy Flight has given you what sleeves you need to get. 2 of the green size and 2 of the orange size. That's their recommended card sleeves. So, I don't know. Do you guys sleeve your cards if you're playing games like this? I have found that in some of the games I have, sleeving the cards leaves no room in the box for them. I've had a few games like that, and it makes it difficult to organize the cards. But there are some that I do have sleeved, and there's plenty of room in the box, and I've protected them with sleeves. So I see both sides. So what do you guys like to do if you play these kind of things? What are your thoughts? Let's take a look on the inside. If I can get the top off. There we go. Well, first of all, of course, we have the rule book. Gives a game overview, how to assemble the Blackbird, gives you all the components, how to set up the game, an example of setup, basic concepts, playing the game, different phases, how to win the game or lose the game, attempting missions and how to do that, completing objectives, A mission attempt example, checking outcomes, story cards, story card examples, showdowns, some additional rules, different kind of cards, tokens, some more additional rules, how to play solo, special terms, and some clarification on the rules that they've set up. Plus, on the back, you've got a quick reference guide that you can use while playing the game. So what's it all come with? Well, like I said, I've cheated a little bit. I've punched out some of the characters and tokens and put them in bags already. So this unboxing isn't quite brand new to me because I've already done this. In here, you've got your X-Men, different character tokens. Angel, Iceman, Cyclops, Ilana Rasputin, Magic, Wolverine, Storm, Rogue. Let's see, can I get that better in there? Rogue, here we go. Phoenix. Kitty Pryde or Shadowcat. Forge. Colossus. Jubilee. X-23. Gambit. And you know, this character's name escapes me. You have to forget. If you can tell me who that is, go ahead. I can't remember. And then the Beast. So I've got them all in bags. You also have a bag of dice and some holders for the characters I just showed you. Here are the tokens that I've bagged up. As you can see, there's a ton of them. Got the wings of the blackbirds in there. I'm not going to open you up and show you all these because that's just too much. Here's the blackbird. Here's a tracker. And these cards came in these baggies. I just use sandwich bags for the tokens and the character tokens. But the two sets of cards already came in these baggies. Now, I will say that if you do sleeve these cards, it's not going to fit in this. You're going to have to just put them loose in there. Armor, okay, that's... Okay, that's her. If I can get it to focus. Focus. It won't focus. Anyway, armor, that's who that is. Okay, so you got a bunch of character cards here. I got some more cards. Love. Got some love cards. I don't know what all this is for. Camaraderie, research, discipline, training, admiration, respect. Game rounds, clever diversions, henchmen, bad press. Some enemies like Sentinel, vicious schemes. Sentinel cards. Harsh Lesson. More Sentinel cards. Wolfsbane. Rock Slide. Gentle. Richter. Sage. Mirage. Multiple Man. So there are obviously some more mutants in there. Then they had a baggie of these cards right here. These are bigger cards. Locations like Xavier's office, Cerebro, Misled Mutants, Anti-Mutant Mob, Sauron, Magneto, got some villain cards in there, looks like. Sentinel HQ, Captured. There's Armor, I'm not sure what she's doing. Brotherhood Conclusion, I think some of these are storylines. Here's some more of the character cards. Brotherhood of Mutants. The Hellfire Gambit. Hellfire Club. So lots of cards there that deal with the gameplay. And like I said, it's a simple matter of just putting them back in their baggies, the cards. But like I said on the other cards, if you sleeve these, you're not going to get them in the baggies. It's just not going to fit. So your call. I'm not sure, I'm not worried about it. But I just put them in there like that. There we go. I will say that these little cards are a tight fit inside the little baggie. It's a little hard to get them in. So maybe I do want to sleeve them. Yeah, maybe I do. I don't like having to squeeze those in there so tight like that. They don't want to seal up either. Can't get it. There we go. And then of course everything else just fits in there fairly easily. Dice. And then of course the character tokens, I just put them, it's just in a sandwich bag, really, it's all it is, just a baggie. So I just throw them in there so I don't lose them. And it works perfectly. So I just put them in there, it all fits. The rule book on top. And it's all boxed up. So, looks like a fun game. Looking forward to getting into it. Like I said, if any of you have played it, let me know what you think. And I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. See you real soon. Bye.